Hi art lovers, how you doing today? We got a little 10 by 10 canvas here. If it ever stays in focus. And see if we can't get it. It's a little more straight. And we're going to try something I've never seen anybody try yet. So I'm going to attempt it. And hope it works. I still got some paints left over from some of my other pours. Get these goofy gloves on. Alright, art lovers, are you ready for this? This is what we're going to do. You got one of these kitchen colors, or colors I think is what they're called. We're going to set that right in the center of it. You see that? Let's back up a little bit. I think you're blurring. It's not staying in focus. Sorry about that. Then we're going to take this vase I just cleaned with rubbing alcohol. We're going to set that right in the center of that colander. Easy for me to say, right? Okay. So I'm going to put a little turquoise in the cup. I'll put some orange in the cup. Put some, I can't see that, can you? You see that there? Alright, let's go over here. And I'm going to put some yellow in the cup. And we're going to put some red in the cup. On the opposite side of the yellow. And we're going to put the blue right in the middle. We're going to take some titanium white. And just a dash of black. Then we're going to go back with this turquoise. Last of the orange. Alright. Last of the yellow. And just to save time, I put titanium white mixed with Floetrol, well, my mixture, on the canvas, and spread all that out so it's nice and even. I seen one person spread paint on a canvas. You've seen them all, so. Plus it saves a little bit of time on the editing process and length process. And, alright. Oh. Alrighty. I'm going to do something else though with this. I am going to, if I can find it, There it is. Here it is. This is, what is it? Artist Loft Metallic Gold. Light gold. But it's a metallic. See how that? That's about how I do my paints. We're going to add some of that right in the center. Alrighty. First attempt. I haven't tried this before. This is just something that has popped into my head. It's like, hey, why don't we try this? I call it the H2O. Where was I? Oh, yeah. So why don't we try this? I needed to do another vase. I thought, well, why can't we do a vase and a colander pour at the same time? I've never seen anybody do it. So we're going to try it. Here we go. Yeah, you see all that? That's pretty cool. And that gold is right in the center. Looks like a leaf, a little gold leaf. Alrighty, here we go. Now the canvas was level, but I'm not sure. God, can you see that? I'm gonna stop for a second. You see how that did that? That was pretty cool. But I don't know if it should all be level, but it never seems to be. Always seems to be one side's runs a little faster than the other. Now I hope this is going to be enough paint to do both of these. I'm not all into the science of, you know, besides canvas takes, you know, 27 grams of paint, or 10 ounces of paint. You know. But we have some left over. I mean, a little left to, if I have to make some more, we can make some more. But this is coming out cool. My big hand's in the way so you all can't see it, but stop there. Well, it looks like the canvas is all covered. Or, not canvas. The vase is all covered. Looks like everything is dripping okay. Hey, that's cool. Alright, while we're letting that drain or flop or flip or whatever you want to call it. Let it do its thing. I'll take the rest of this and throw it in the cup the same mixture I did before, or the same way I did before. Yeah, I did pop the air bubbles off the canvas before I started all this. Oh, where's my gold? There it is. Alrighty. Now comes the fun part. It's kind of slowed up dripping a little bit, but now comes the fun part. Now how am I going to reach my hands down, these big hands down there, and pull that out of there without disturbing the colander? Yeah. Alright, pause you for a few minutes. Let this continue to drip because it's starting to slow down. We continue to drip, and then I'll be right back.